I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove power and label connectors so you won't mix circuits later. Open the kit and choose the extractor that fits the female housing, match 0, 5.2, 5 mm sizes to terminal width. Once chosen, depress the retention tang gently with the pick and pull the wire straight. Avoid twisting, which can widen or damage the terminal. You're aiming for clean release, so pause if resistance feels gritty. That usually means corrosion or a missed lock. Once the terminal is freed, maintain steady hands. Stabilize the connector housing so pressure doesn't crack plastic. Insert the extractor straight into the terminal face, then depress the lock while drawing the wire out slowly. Alternating light pulls and releases reduces stress on the crimp. If the terminal sticks, apply contact cleaner and work the tang with the smallest pick. This loosens corrosion. Make sure to inspect the crimp for deformation. Replace any compromised terminals rather than reusing them. You finish by reseating each terminal. Push it straight into the housing until you hear or feel the click, then give a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Once done, verify continuity and correct pinout with a multimeter and reattach power. If a terminal won't lock or the tang broke, don't jury-rig. Replace the terminal or the housing, or use a terminal repair kit rated for the connector. One troubleshooting tip. Intermittent contact usually means a poor crimp or a bent tang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.